this is unseasoned peeled potato. This chicken seems to be coming along really nicely. The water's boiling, so I'm going to go ahead and add the egg noodle. The noodles are almost done. We have our strainer out, so I'm going to strain this off. Like I said, the potatoes are done. They've been mashed. Chicken is done. Go ahead and take these noodles. So, anyway, put a little bit of potato in like this. And then we will add this to the top, along with all of this juice, which we usually pour over it. But that is going to be your chicken and noodles over mashed potatoes. And if your stomach isn't feeling real great, or you just want something warm and delicious, this is it. We're done. The whole house smells great. I think it's time for me to call everybody down and we're going to eat. I hope you'll join me next time. Okay, until then, bye.